Hey guys, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 small cap stocks, all with unanimous strong buy ratings. So let's get into it. All right, welcome back everyone. As always, thank you all so much for being here. Today, we're taking a look at 3 small cap stocks. Those are companies with market caps under $2 billion. And these stocks today all have unanimous buy ratings from Wall Street. And on top of that, they come in with an Outperform rating on the TipRanks Smart Score. That looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. So today, we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found today's companies using the TipRanks Stock Screener. Found underneath research tools with the stock screener, we set our market cap to small with an outperform rating on the Smart Score and a double-digit upside potential. Of course, we wanted a strong buy consensus not only from all analysts, but from the top-ranked analysts as well, which gave us our list of stocks down below. Just before we get into today's companies, this is your reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. You can also download the TipRanks mobile app to stay up to date with all the latest stock news by using the links in the description down below. Now let's get right into our 3 strong buy small cap stocks. First on the list, we're taking a look at Spire Global. Trading under the ticker SPIR, they're currently priced at $13.75 with a market cap of about $400 million. Year to date, the stock has climbed over 76% and in the last 3 months has grown 40%. Spire Global is a satellite-powered data analytics company. Spire uses one of the world's largest multi-purpose satellite constellations to source hard-to-acquire valuable data and enriches it with predictive solutions. Their constellation of about 100 nanosatellites are placed in low Earth orbit at various inclinations to provide global coverage. Their data and services help customers in a variety of areas, including maritime, weather, and aviation. They also have AI-powered insights, machine learning, and analytics products. Some of the applications of their services include ship tracking data and high-frequency weather data, which help monitor illegal fishing, trade, piracy, search and rescue, insurance, and maritime domain awareness. Just over a week ago, it was announced that the company was awarded a $1.4 million contract from the Government of Canada. This was for the provision of Global Automatic Identification System, or AIS, ship tracking data. The 1-year contract includes options for 2 additional years, extending the total potential contract value to nearly $4.23 million. Under the contract, Spire will share its real-time global ship tracking data, providing unparalleled visibility in both open oceans and high-traffic zones. Their latest earnings report came out back in May, where the company had a narrower than expected loss and also reiterated their expectations around positive cash flow. Their Q2 earnings report will be coming out on August 7th, and this does follow an earnings beat for their first quarter, where they reported a loss per share of 53 cents, which was 5 cents narrower than expected, and grew 33% year over year. The company had first quarter revenue of $25.7 million, and they lowered their non-GAAP operating loss to $7 million. They have robust remaining contracted performance obligations not yet recognized as revenue of over $195 million, and reiterated expectations for positive cash flow from operations for the remainder of 2024. Back in June, Spire signed a memorandum of cooperation with ESSP, and this did have one 5-star analyst from Stifel weigh in on the stock. Their MOC with the European satellite services provider has the goal of introducing a range of global satellite-based surveillance services to the air traffic management industry, and the analyst believes that this has the potential to be a meaningful win for Spire to be partnered with the leading A&D companies. Given the magnitude of the announcement, the firm sees the total value of this contract to be in the potentially several $100 million range over a roughly 4 to 5 year period. The Spire Global stock currently has 5 analyst ratings, all coming in with a buy. And the average price target of $18 would imply an upside potential of nearly 31% from current prices. Looking at our ratings down below, on the low end we do have an upside of 8.6% from Robert Baird and 2 high-end price targets from Stifel and Canaccord Genuity at $20, which would be an upside of nearly 45%. Our second strong buy small cap company is Powerfleet. They trade under the ticker AIOT, currently priced at $5.01 per share. Year to date, they've climbed 49%, and in the last 3 months have gained 25%. Powerfleet is a global leader in the Internet of Things, or IoT, and software as a service solutions. Their technology is used for fleet management, helping manage and track high-value assets, such as industrial trucks, cargo, tractor-trailers, shipping containers, and vehicle and truck fleets. Their platform, Unity, can ingest data from any IoT source, including OEM data, third-party devices, and external data. The company then unifies the data and integrates it to provide actionable insights that can help companies save time, money, and lives. They shared their Q4 and full-year earnings report back in mid-March. The company came out with an earnings beat and also had their best quarter for revenue in the last 6 quarters. For their Q4, they reported earnings per share of 4 cents, which was 6 cents better than estimates. Fourth quarter revenue came in at $34.5 million, which was up 9% year over year. Looking at their full year, total revenue increased 4%, and the company said that they pivoted strategies and implemented significant cost reduction initiatives. Just last week, we heard from a 5-star analyst at Roth. They also currently have the street high price target on the stock. They noted that the stock is trading at a dramatic discount to comps and represents a multi-bagger opportunity. The firm's meeting with the company's management team has left it extremely comfortable regarding its near-term execution and roadmap, noting that while Powerfleet provided no financial updates, they continue to track near-term expectations, which are largely cost optimization driven. The company's unique position, Unity's ability to ingest and share third-party data, and expanding revenue opportunities are also early but compelling. Powerfleet's unanimous strong buy is based on 6 current analyst ratings, and the average price target comes in at $8.75, implying an upside potential of about 74% from current prices. Looking at the ratings down below, a lot of 5-star analysts weighing in on this one. Our high-end price target is that one from Roth at $11, with an upside of 115%, and we have a few on the low end at $7, all with upsides of 37%. If you've made it to our third stock today, this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least, we're taking a look at Turtle Beach. They trade under the ticker HEAR, currently priced at $15.69. Year to date, their stock has climbed 43%, and in the last 3 months is up about 5.5%. Turtle Beach is a gaming accessories company focused on audio peripherals. They operate through their headset and hypersound business segments. The hypersound segment refers to a patent-protected sound technology that delivers immersive directional audio with applications in digital signage and kiosks, consumer electronics, and hearing healthcare. Their headset segment offers gaming headset solutions for video game and entertainment consoles, personal computers, and mobile and tablet devices. Their line of products also includes mice, keyboards, flight systems, racing wheels, and game controllers. Back on May 7th, Turtle Beach did come out with a big earnings beat for their first quarter. And their second quarter is coming up on August 8th, where analysts are anticipating a loss per share of 3 cents, much narrower than the 41 cent from a year ago. In their Q1, they reported earnings per share of 1 cent, which beat expectations by 23 cents per share. The company had revenue of $55.8 million, which was an increase of 8.6% year over year. Looking forward, the company reiterated its 2024 outlook, with net revenues expected to be in the range of $370 to $380 million. They reiterated their long-term goals of an over 10% revenue compound annual growth rate, a mid-30s gross margin percentage, and is focused on driving a mid-teens percentage for adjusted EBITDA margins. Following that Q1 earnings report, we did hear from a 4-star analyst at Maxim Group. He noted the strong quarter plus some recent strategic acquisitions, saying that the company's first quarter results exceeded estimates, and that was helped by the recent acquisition of performance-designed products. The acquisition is anticipated to be highly accretive to Turtle Beach, providing immediate scale, diversified product offerings, and substantial cost synergies. Additionally, their confidence in the stock was bolstered by Turtle Beach's solid financial position, including a strong cash balance. The Turtle Beach stock comes in as a unanimous strong buy with 4 current analyst ratings. And the average price target of $21.50 would imply an upside potential of 37% from current prices. Looking at our ratings down below, we once again have several 5-star analysts weighing in. Our low-end price target is $17 back in April here for an upside of 8.35%, and our high-end price target comes from Lake Street at $26 for an upside of over 65%. So that is a quick look at 3 small cap stocks, all coming in with unanimous buys from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below, whether they were on your radar or not before, and which one catches your eye the most. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just sharing what those Wall Street analysts are looking at, so please make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.